Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walked away. If only I knew what I know today. Ooh, ooh. I would hold you in my arms, I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done, forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. Whoa, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself by hurting you. Some days I feel broken inside, but I won't admit. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's you I miss. And it's so hard to say goodbye when it comes to this. Ooh, yeah. Would you tell me I was wrong? Would you help me understand how you're looking down upon me? How you're proud of who I am? There's nothing I wouldn't do to have just one more chance to look into your eyes and see you looking back. Whoa, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself. Whoa, if I had just one more day, I would tell you how much that I missed you since you've been away. Whoa, it's dangerous. It's so out of line to try and turn back time. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself by hurting